Hello everybody, I am back. This is Katerina, I'm Nordstrom beauty stylist, and I'm so happy with this beautiful collection from Kylie Jenner. It's product spectacular, and you know, I make already videos I reviewing products, but in this video I'm gonna show you how to use this beautiful eyeshadow palette. And look at my eyes, look at my skin, it looks amazing. I definitely highly recommend this eyeshadow palette. It's 16 eyeshadows here, and it's only $45. And if you're looking for a new highlighter, it's right here. It will be your favorite. I am impressed. Look at my sexy juicy lips. Okay, let's start. I'll show you how I create this beautiful look. I actually really like it. You know, sometimes you put makeup and you're like, no, it's okay. But today I'm very happy because I'm in love how I look. I do like how my skin looks, how my eyes looks. Okay, let's start. You know, I like to talk. Give me thumbs up. Yes, it's September 28th. It's hurricane outside. Maybe a tornado came into Tampa, and I'm working for you. I'm shooting this video for you. Give me thumbs up, give subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, let's start. Today, like I mentioned, I am gonna use Kylie Jenner Holiday Collection eyeshadow palette, because look at this beautiful eyeshadow. I have matte, shimmer, 16 eyeshadows here. It's $45, limited edition. Again, all this product, which one I'm gonna use, I will list for you below. And I have already video where I reviewing Kylie Jenner Holiday Collection. Okay, this is just second one mine, and again I am shooting right now. I did like one video where I'm talking about her beautiful products, and this is how I'm gonna use her products. And it's September 28th in Tampa. It is hurricane situation. Support me, girls. I love you more than ice cream. And which one I use already her products. It's amazing, incredible body and face highlighter, and I put right here. You can see how glowing, and it's not transfer on my clothes. Absolutely in love with this product. It's very inexpensive, and you can use for face and body. I have already my foundation and eyebrows done. I have a little bit bronze, and we are gonna use her eyeshadow highlighter and lip color. But first step, which one I'm gonna use eyeshadow primer from Juvia's, and it is pretty white color, but this is what I want to use, and it's matte color. Okay, this is what be first step, and then we're gonna use this eyeshadow palette. It's so pretty. I apply a little bit more heavy layer under my brow bone, and I'm gonna just spread this color. Okay, eyeshadow primer is done. It looks a little bit funny, but I really want to open my eyes and lips. Remember, I'm 44, soon it will be 45, and it's all about to look younger in eyelids. Second step, we're gonna use eyeshadow. Okay, will be our first color, and I'm using big blending brush, and will be my middle color. So far, it looks very pretty first step, and I'm very happy. I like how eyeshadow sits on my eyelids. They don't look dry. Very good quality so far of this color. And again, I wanna look young and I'm not gonna go crazy. Nothing will be like too much, just soft, natural, and anyone can use this palette. Now I'm gonna use another color and I'm gonna go under. Again, I'm gonna use my big blending brush, and it's like everything is gonna be like look soft and blendable. And again, this can be like everyday or special day look. We applying right here in the corner of my eye, and now we just push into my circle area. Wow, very pretty, and you can see how this white eyeshadow primer truly lifts my eyes. Now let's use this color, and it's an orange and slightly orange red, but it's not like too like, it's like orangey yellow color. It's very pretty. This color very pigmented, and so far I using the same brush, but I need a little bit clean, and this is how I very easy and quick clean in my brush. And now we're gonna use this color. It's, I believe, Take the Reins. Again, applying a little bit, take off, and we're gonna put in the corner of my eye and just little bit build crease. I truly really like this matte eyeshadow so far what I use it. It's beautiful, very pretty. Oh my god. Look how pretty and smoky, and again it looks beautiful on my eyes, and my eyes become very like a blue. Wow, I love it. Now I'm gonna use my finger, and I'm gonna use this beautiful like a gold, lighter gold eyeshadow, and I put it on the center with my finger. It's very pretty. Wow, give me a nice beautiful pop. Now I don't look old lady, right? This is what makeup do, magic. Okay, I really like this Kylie eyeshadow palette. It's so beautiful. Now I'm gonna use small tiny brush, and it's by Nurse. It's a small blending brush. This is older version, but when you will look it in link below, it's gonna look like exactly like this, but just black, no more silver on top. And now I'm gonna use this darker color, and I'm gonna put again little bit more on the corner, and just pushing product a little bit up, and I apply like small letter C. Then I'm gonna use same brush, and we're gonna use this color underneath. On the bottom I want my eyes to look a little bit bigger. And you can see one eye and another. You can see how this more open, more lifting, and more bigger. Now I have a flat brush, and I'm gonna use this darker color, and I'm just gonna apply very close to my lash line. Okay, now I have a big blending brush, and I'm just gonna little bit more blend this darker color. Oh my god, I don't know if you're hearing girls or not, it's so windy outside. Again, it's tornado tornado warning and hurricane, both it's common, but it's supposed to move to Tampa area, but I believe now it's going to Sarasota. Kylie, save me, save me. Just kidding, but it's pretty scary. But if it's gonna be too much SOS, yes, I'm gonna just wrap it up and do something. Okay, it's so pretty. I'm laughing, but truly I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna also a little bit blend under my eyes, and now I need a big blending brush, just big clean brush, and I'm just gonna little bit blend this, and don't make too white. Even I want this white color next to my brows for extra lift. Ooh, it's so pretty. Now I'm gonna probably curl my lashes, do liquid eyeliner, false lashes, and we're almost done. We're almost done. But it's so pretty. I love this look. One more color, which one I decided I'm gonna use is this one, and I'm gonna put little. Oh, I'm gonna put in a corner. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, I take this palette just for the store to use one time and bring it back. Yes, thanks God. Yeah, Nordstrom don't give me the stuff for me to keep it. I take it home, I bring it back to the store. A lot of products I find, and it's like, I'm not yet on divorce situation with my husband, but sometimes he's like, why do you need this? And you know, it's like a little commercial. Do you buy it? Yes. Do you need it? Yes. Or whatever, something on TikTok I saw. It's very funny. And this color I'm gonna use under my brow too, just very little. Oh, it's so pretty. And I'm coming to you a little bit more close. I really like how this eyeshadow turned on my eyelid. Yes, you know what, this is, I will not say this is for teenagers. This is for any age. Very beautiful. Again, limited edition holiday collection, and quality, it's really good. 16 eyeshadow for $45. Still, do not wait. Everybody is different. For my eyelid, I need to curl my lashes first, and then I will use liquid eyeliner. Today for my liquid eyeliner, I'm using Tom Ford, and what I do, just press close to my lash line. Let me come close to you, I want you to see it. After 40, I don't do too much with eyeliner. I don't do very crazy, because believe me not, one of my eyes a little bit more lift, another a little bit down. And when I see like some ladies put like this long eyeliners, or like in Russian we'll say strelki, it looks like awful. One it's up, another it's down. If your eyes not perfect, don't do. Or if you done already, use on top eyeshadow, little bit put on top, smudge, and it will look much more softer, more elegant and classy. But you can see it's a huge difference, right? With eyeliner or without. Ooh, very big rain outside, big noise. I'm gonna put a little bit mascara on top and the bottom, and then I feel this look needs have a false lashes. Okay girls, what do you think? It's pretty, right? Comments below, give me thumbs up. Now you know what? I need a little bit blush and highlighter, and for blush we have here 3 beautiful colors, and I'm just gonna use my brush, and yes, it is eyeshadow, but I'm gonna use it as my blush. I'm gonna just a little bit warm this product in my hand, and I'm just gonna layer in this, particularly this first one. It's very pretty as a blush, very pretty. Ooh. Ooh, I love my rosy cheek. And now let's use highlighter from Kylie. Again, it's very pretty. It's not like sparkly, goes everywhere. It's go like buttery and smooth. Very, very little you need. It's very, very pigmented, girls. If you look it for new highlighter, this one is good one. Okay, we have two different options. Yes, Kylie Jenner, she has one, it's like more pinky red color, blondie tone, I will say, and another it's more neutral lip collection, and it's $29 lip liner full size and lip matte product. And I'm gonna use neutral color, which one it's 819, and it's go together with lip liner. Again, for choose this product, it's $29. It's still, and her lip liner, a lot of time I use in her lip liner is my lipstick, and everybody will say, oh my god, I love your lipstick, but it's just her lip liner. It's very soft and smooth. Just look at this lip liner, how make my lips full and big, and it's a beautiful, beautiful color. And now I'm gonna use her matte lip stain. I'm gonna apply on my lips. I'm gonna wait around maybe 3 minutes. It's gonna dry, and then we're gonna use this amazing, beautiful lip gloss. That is girl. I love this lip gloss. I don't know about you girls, but I feel I look young, fresh, stunning. I look so stunning. You know me when I don't have any makeup and I don't have a good skin, and my eyes needs to lift, and this is so pretty. It's too bad it's hurricane right now, because I would like to go somewhere and this glow. Of course I need to post this on Instagram. Comments below, please. Subscribe my YouTube channel and let me know if you like this look, because I look at myself, I'm like, oh, I love you, Katerina, you look so pretty. Okay, after this lip stain is dry, again we're gonna use this beautiful, beautiful lip gloss, and it's like a pinky pearl. It's very hard to find lip color like this. I don't even need it because it's already pretty, but you know what, I like sparkles. Oh, now it's even more sexy. Okay girls, we finished this video. Oh, I finished to shoot this video for you. I really, really love this eyeshadow palette. Love this beautiful lip color. If you're shopping for new highlighters, it's here. Comments below. Love you more than ice cream, and I will see you in my next video. And yes, I approve. I'm excited, and I need to have this holiday collection limited edition. You need to buy right now. Do not wait to December or November. It will be gone.